In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to learn how to export a video with a transparent background, which means exporting with an alpha channel. An alpha channel stores transparency information. This allows your video to appear without any background when placed over other footage. Let's begin. First, make sure your timeline contains only the element you want to export. For example, text, logo, or animation. Remove any background layers like black video or color matte. The empty area behind your element represents transparency. Now go to the Export tab. Under Format, choose QuickTime. Next, choose a video codec that supports alpha channel, such as Apple ProRes 4444. Now scroll down to the video settings section. Look for the option called Depth. Change it to 16-bit plus alpha. So this step is important because it enables transparency in your exported file. Make sure Render at maximum depth is enabled for better quality. Choose your file name and location, then click Export. Once exported, if you import this file back into Premiere or any other editing software and place it above another clip, the background will remain transparent. If you see black instead of transparency, it usually means the format or depth was not set to include alpha. And that's it. You now know how to export with a transparent background using alpha channel in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.